let's talk about tax planning. A lot of people have asked this question, and I wanted to make sure you got access to this information so that you know exactly what it is. In case you don't know me, I'm Margo Masri, your heartfelt CFO from Margo's Bookkeeping, and I want to explain to you what tax planning is. Tax planning is a way that you can look with a tax professional at what you're doing from the personal side, from the business side, and really see if you are truly paying the taxes that you need to. Maybe you're paying too much, maybe you're paying too little, and you're kind of like, why would I want to pay more? It's a whole evaluation process to know that. There's so many different strategies that can support you and your business to make sure that you are moving forward in the way that you want to. I have a client who the other week, he wanted to fund a medical plan for his staff. He also was falling short in how much he was retiring for himself, and he wanted to find ways to do it. Through the process of tax planning, we were able to find money to help give him that boost. So he didn't really necessarily need to get more income or get it that way. He was already doing things so that he just needed to tweak his process. So some of the things that we do in tax planning is like review expense deductions, entity structure, look at previous tax returns. These are the few but not limited things that we do to see where you are and what more you can do or what different you can do. I know a lot of people are afraid when it requires more of them because already the whole subject requires so much energy and stress, and they just feel like, just this nerves about taxes. Planning puts you in a way that it takes away all of that. It takes away that shield and puts you into a way at ease so that when you file it, you know that you're paying the proper taxes, you're supporting your family, your business, and you're helping your goals move forward without feeling like every day when you wake up, that is kind of like, oh my God, is it another credit card bill? Taxes, what do I owe? Is it quarterly, monthly? I don't understand this. Let me open up Google. All of these different things. So preparation, like we talked about in the previous video, is gathering information to document your income, your expenses that support your business and a lot of the decisions. Planning is a deeper way. Now, if you're listening to this, you're probably like, am I a candidate for tax planning? Everybody is. It's a matter of how quickly you want to step into it because you might be afraid of what the results are. The results only usually bring more prosperity, more solutions of all of the things that you're probably in overwhelm and nerves about in different ways. So I invite you for a call with me so that I can help you through that process and see some of the action steps. And also, by the way, on our call, I also give you an estimate of how much we can save you when you decide to step into that process. It's really fun to cool to map out your future and to see what you're doing. I mean, I had another client who is selling her house, and when they told me that, they were worried where the money was going to go because it was a high profit and they bought the house years ago. We were able to look at the situation and make a plan for that. She was having kids and all sorts of different things that were going on in her life. So feel free to think about this. Feel free to ask me questions, and I look forward to talking to you further about this. Speak soon, and I'm glad that you got to hear this video.